go?
Hi, my name is Tiny Seaton.
All right, Tiny. You came to the Reggae Girls Under 20 camp, and from minute one, what was going through your mind?
What was going through my mind? When I get called for the Under 20 camp, I saw my teammates and how we was training. We know that we could make it to the next round, and we are comfortable with each other. We trust each other, and we listen to our coaches.
What is the camaraderie in camp? How do you guys live together?
We live good. Yeah, we live like a family.
All right. So you guys traveled to put in a showcase for the entirety of the Jamaican diaspora and Jamaican people in regards to the performance in the football aspect of things. What do you think about the entirety of the tournament? How was the tournament for you?
The tournament was tremendous. It was really good, and we enjoyed ourselves while we were playing.
Which one of the games they say would have been the toughest game for you?
Both of them were easy for me, but I didn't play the Honduras one. So yeah. I think that Honduras was the toughest game for my teammates and for the team.
Any clarification on why I didn't play the Honduras game?
I got a red card.
Yeah. I know you're pretty disappointed in regards to that, Sil, but I do know you'd have learned from that, and next time you know exactly what to do. So, what do you think about the team overall performance throughout the tournament?
The team overall performance was good. It was really good, and we have to say thanks to the coaches and our fitness coaches, Coach Aris and Coach Yu. They did a tremendous job. They're wonderful coaches.
Yeah. At full time, there was a lot of celebration. What was the feeling going through your mind and the experience you guys were feeling after that Honduras victory?
I was feeling good. I was nervous because they were leading like 1-0 and the game almost finished. But I trust my teammates, Natalia Atkins, and she put away the second goal for us.
Yeah, when you guys scored that second goal and everyone ran to the coach, like no one knew what to do themselves, how pleased are you working with the coach?
I was really pleased, even though I couldn't be in the changing room with them or celebrate with them.
All right. Good luck on your future endeavors, because I know you should be there for the next the championship. So hopefully things work out well, and you guys did really, really well. And congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
All right.